Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super refreshing agua fresca de pepino con limón y piña. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so we're going to begin by getting our cucumber. Make sure that you wash it really good. Remove the ends. Just like to rub it. I'm just going to cut it into large pieces and add the whole thing to the blender cup. For my pineapple, I'm going to remove the top. I'm going to be using this tool to core the pineapple. Okay, we're going to add the whole pineapple to the blender cup. And make sure to add the juices. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to make our agua fresca. Okay, to our blender cup, we're going to be adding our sweetness of choice. I'm using sugar, and of course, depending on how sweet your pineapple is and how sweet you want your agua fresca, then it depends on how much you're going to add. Okay, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. And I'm going to be using a total of 10 cups of water. So just add as much to cover all of the fruit. So that was 4 cups for me. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and once it's nice and smooth, now we can transfer it to our jar. Okay, and I do like to strain it just to remove all of the pulp from the pineapple. So strain and transfer to the jar. And once we have strained that, we're going to add our 6 cups of water. And here you can taste it and see if you want to add any more water to dilute it more, or if you want to add more sugar, but for me this is always perfect. So now you can add your ice here. And I'm also going to be adding some pineapple chunks and cucumber chunks. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious agua fresca. Okay, now cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously so easy, so refreshing, perfect for this heat. Everyone gets to enjoy it and they all love it. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. You can taste the pineapple, the lime, the cucumber, everything's just so perfect. And of course, if you want to make it an adult drink, you can always spike it, but honestly, it's seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super refreshing agua fresca de pepino con limón y piña. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you're good at this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.